Video tonight, I am showing you the best strategies to earn crypto from home in 2025. These are the top side hustle and passive income tips. Cryptocurrency continues to revolutionize how people earn and grow wealth, offering exciting opportunities right from the comfort of your home. If you are looking to boost your income or build passive revenue streams in 2025 and beyond, here are some of the best strategies to start earning crypto easily and safely, and I am using some of them. Number one is crypto trading. Engage in buying and selling cryptocurrencies to capitalize on market price fluctuations. With the right research and tools, trading can be lucrative, though it requires learning market trends and risk management. Number two is staking and yield farming. Put your crypto assets to work by staking them in blockchain networks or participating in yield farming on decentralized finance platforms. These methods earn you rewards or interest over time, creating steady passive income. Number three is freelance work paid in crypto. Many blockchain and crypto businesses pay freelancers in cryptocurrencies. You can offer services like writing graphic design, programming, or marketing on platforms that accept crypto payments, providing flexible side hustles. Number four is crypto mining and cloud mining. While traditional mining requires expensive hardware, cloud cloud mining services let you earn crypto without equipment or technical know-how. Just purchase a mining contract and earn daily payouts with minimal effort. Number five is content creation and airdrops. Create crypto-related blogs, videos, or social media content to earn sponsorships and tips in cryptocurrency. Also participate in airdrops and bounty programs by promoting projects or completing tasks to receive free tokens. Getting started. These are the tips you need to get started. Number one, educate yourself on cryptocurrency fundamentals and market risks. Number two, choose reputable platforms for trading, staking, and freelancing. Then, number four, start with small investments or projects to gain experience without high risk. Number five, secure your crypto assets with long with strong wallets and enabling two-factor authentication. By combining these strategies, you can turn your home into a cryptocurrency income hub in 2025 and beyond. Whether you want active side hustles or passive income streams, the crypto space offers diverse ways to grow your earnings and financial freedom. I believe you have benefited from this video. If that is the case, please go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel, click the like button and share button, and if you have comment and question, drop it in the comment section below. Until I come your way in the next one, be crypto smart.